Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to make Instagram post on Canva blank page. So let's get started. At first, log into your Canva account. Now click on Create a Design on the Canva homepage. In the search bar, type Instagram post and select Instagram post 1080 pixels by 1080. Now click, it will automatically create a blank page. So you will have a blank canvas to design your Instagram post. Add images, text, shapes and customize the background according to your requirements. Use the tools on the left sidebar to add elements like text, graphics, photos or even upload your own image. Modify fonts, font size and colors to match your prepared design. Once you are satisfied, download the image and then share it on Instagram. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.